Understanding stress and how to manage it for electricians. Preparing for the license exam. Stress is a natural part of life, especially when you're preparing for something as important as the electrician license exam. It can either push you to perform better or drag you down if left unchecked. As an aspiring electrician, it's essential to recognize the different types of stress, understand how it affects your body and mind, and learn how to manage it effectively so you can succeed in your exam and your career. The two types of stress: eustress versus distress. Not all stress is harmful. There are two types of stress: eustress and distress. Eustress is the good kind of stress. It helps motivate you to prepare for your electrician license exam. It's the type of stress that pushes you to study harder, stay focused, and achieve your goals. For example, feeling nervous before taking a practice exam may help you concentrate better. Distress, on the other hand, is the negative kind of stress. This occurs when the pressure becomes overwhelming, leading to anxiety and burnout. If you're constantly worrying about passing the exam or juggling your study schedule with work, distress may cause you to lose focus, leading to poor performance. Short-term and long-term effects of stress. In the short term, stress can cause symptoms like muscle tension, increased heart rate, and trouble sleeping. These responses are normal, but they should subside once you resolve the stressful situation, like completing an exam or a difficult study session. However, if you let stress build up over time without managing it, it can have long-term effects on both your body and mind. Prolonged stress can lead to issues like weakened immunity, heart problems, anxiety, and even depression. When preparing for your exam, managing stress is critical to avoid these negative outcomes. Tips to manage stress while preparing for your electrician exam. Here are some practical ways to manage stress and keep it from affecting your exam preparation. Set clear priorities. Break down your study materials into manageable chunks and prioritize key topics that are likely to appear on the exam. Having a clear plan reduces the overwhelming feeling of needing to know everything at once. Take breaks. Regular breaks during study sessions allow your brain to recharge. This helps prevent burnout and ensures that you retain information more effectively. Exercise. Physical activity is a proven stress reliever. A quick 30-minute workout can help you release built-up tension and return to your study with a clear mind. Deep breathing and relaxation. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation can calm your nervous system. These are particularly helpful if you start feeling anxious right before taking a practice test or during the exam. Positive thinking. Keep reminding yourself that you are capable and well prepared. Instead of focusing on failure, concentrate on what you've learned and how far you've come. Positive reinforcement can keep distress at bay. Conclusion. Understanding stress and learning how to manage it is vital for every electrician preparing for the license exam. While a certain amount of stress can motivate you to study harder, eustress, too much can lead to burnout, distress. By recognizing the signs, incorporating stress relief techniques, and maintaining a positive mindset, you'll be better equipped to tackle your exam preparation head-on. By managing your stress effectively, you can enter the exam room with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success.